In this video, I'll show you how to change display orientation in Windows. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If you love to change the display orientation on your Windows, what you're going to do right now, click on this, right? Click on the settings. Once you have clicked on the settings, wait for it to open up. Once it has opened up, what you're going to do right now, you're going to click on this display, right? So if you want to change the display orientation in your Windows, you're going to see this right here, right? This is the display orientation. So you can select either the manual, you can select either the landscape, the portrait, the landscape flipped, or the portrait flipped, right? So let's say I want to change the display orientation of this from landscape to portrait. I'll just click on portrait. You can see how everything is showing right now. So I'm gonna revert this, right? I'll revert this. So yeah, this is basically how it works. So you can come on here and select any display orientation you want of your choice. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you all in the very next one.